All right, in paragraph 2, it says state the purpose of the chapter, describe the organization of the chapter, add transitions sentence to the next section. Okay, so those are the three things we're trying to accomplish. So this is what Dr. Walker did. In this chapter, I review the background of the study and discuss the problem statement and purpose of the study. I discuss the research questions, the nature of the study, and the theoretical framework. I also review the definition, assumptions, scope, and delimitations of this chapter. This chapter concludes with the limitations, significance of the study, and chapter summary. So the transition would be, now we will move on to the background of the section titled background of the study. That would be an example of a transition statement. Okay, so that's essentially how you write this second paragraph. You're basically going to talk about all the sections in the chapter, and you're going to have a transitional statement moving to the next section, which is background of the study. Okay, it's that simple. All right, so we have completed, so finish this paragraph, and then we will move on to the next section, which is background of the study.